How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, back again with another supplement review. Let's get into this one. So today we're looking at Andro Surge Estrogen Blocker. This is a estrogen blocker / testosterone booster from Jacked Factory. They do have a money back guarantee, which is good. So you know if you spend your money on this product and you don't like it or it doesn't work, you can get your money back within the time frame that they have set here. They do have GMP certification, which is very, very nice. So they are manufactured in the USA. So if you're out of the country, it might be hard to get this particular product, but you know, you can still get it if they have international shipping. However, they don't have any research to back up their claims. They do have this research-like section, but they don't have any actual research down there. So that's kind of iffy. But yeah, that's really all I have to say so far. Let's get into this formulation and break apart these ingredients. So the first ingredient that they have is vitamin D. So there are many studies supporting vitamin D supplementation, increasing testosterone in vitamin D deficient males. However, if your levels are adequate, there's really no benefit besides keeping them adequate. The effective dose is around 2,800 to 3,300 IU daily. Next, they have Uricoma longifolia extract. I think that's how you say it. There are a few studies that show this ingredient to have a decent effect on increasing T levels at a dose of 200 to 300 milligrams of the water extract. So it's a little underdosed in this particular formulation. Next, they have DIM. So diindol methane is DIM. It's effective in helping to promote better ratio of estrogen in the body, with the effective dose being around 100 to 300 milligrams. This product has 150 milligrams, so it's pretty good. Next, they have grapeseed extract. This ingredient is a good aromatase inhibitor and helps with estrogen metabolism, with the effective dose being around 150 to 300 milligrams. Next, they have rhodiola. This ingredient is what is known as an adaptogen that helps the body deal with excessive stress. Stress is antagonistic to testosterone, which is a protective hormone. So by lowering it, we can assume testosterone will naturally become higher, given all other variables being accounted for. So the effective dose is shown to be around 200 to 650 milligrams daily, and this product has 125 milligrams. So it's a little bit underdosed. Next, they have zinc. So this ingredient has been shown to increase testosterone and DHT in men and help to blunt the exercise-induced decrease in testosterone and thyroid hormones. So zinc is good. The RD8 is around 30 milligrams, so you want to make sure that you stay below that. And if you're getting plenty in your diet, supplementing with 30 milligrams a day could lead to toxicity, so I'd be careful with that. Next, they have bioperine. So this ingredient helps the absorption of vitamins and minerals and has a positive impact on androgenic hormones in dosages ranging from 5 to 20 milligrams. So that's really all I have to say about this particular product. Overall, on a scale from 0 to 30, I would give this product about, a 12. Simply because they don't have any research available for us to look at, and they don't have any kind of third-party testing, which is something that I always like to see as well. However, they do have a money-back guarantee. They are a little underdosed in some of their ingredients too, so I'd be wary of this. I personally wouldn't spend my money on this, but to each his own. If you want to, go ahead. I don't have a problem with it. It's your money. But if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I also have a newsletter that you can sign up for. Trust me, you want to sign up for this thing. I go over a single ingredient every single day, Monday through Friday. Basically what it is it's what the ingredient is, how it works, the possible benefits of it, the possible side effects of it, how to take it, my preferred source of that particular ingredient, and then I toss in a little bit of research in there for you to dive into if you're into that kind of thing, and every once in a while I have some goodies in there from UMZU as well. So if you want to check that out, link is in the description, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one.